All right, this is my review on Lubriderm Lotion. Lubriderm Lotion, it's dermatologist developed. It says this is the advanced therapy lotion that intensely hydrates extra dry skin. So this lotion is pretty good, right? It says that it's enriched with vitamins E and B5 and skin essential lipids. Okay. Now, one of the key features that this product has is that it provides 24 hours of moisturization with a clean, non-greasy feel. And it's clinically shown to improve the moisture barrier of extra dry skin. So let's go ahead and put some on. I have some in my hand. Just gonna rub my hands together like that. Rub all the lotion inside. My hands look very moisturized right now. This is my review on Lubriderm Advanced Therapy Lotion.